Alright, 6B is just a continuation of 6A, and if you're not familiar with what we're dealing with here, I would encourage you to go back and watch 6A. But just as kind of an overview, we're figuring out the bill, the monthly bill for a customer, a cell phone customer, and that's determined by how many text messages they send in a month. So with this one, all we're adding is a while loop, because in 6A we were checking for one person. Now the only thing that's changed is we want to check for as many people as we want. So you'll notice that really the only thing we're adding is this line right here. While area code not is 0. And then the end while. There is one other part I will point out. These 4 lines here, total tax over 180 and over 60, all are being reset back to what they were originally initialized to up here in the declarations area. And the reason why I'm doing that is because for some reason it wanted to pull information from the previous customer or previous customers and pull their information and add it to the next customer, which we don't want to do that. There might be a better way to take care of that problem, but this works right now and I'm just going to go with it. So you can kind of look over the pseudocode if you're familiar with 6A and see what all is going on here. Let's go over to the flow chart. And again, you can pause the video at any point to kind of look it over. But you'll notice everything's basically the same. You know, this arrow used to go directly to here, but now we have this while loop. So everything's going to be, you know, kind of the same as 6A. Asking for all that information, area code, phone number, text messages, outputting their personal information, going into these equations here, because we're going to figure out, you know, how many we need to charge at 10 cents each, and how many text messages we charge at 10 cents each, and then how many we charge at 5 cents each. And then getting our taxes all straight and our bills, that little reset right there, and then of course asking for the area code again so we can exit if we want. But I'll kind of scroll over here and over here. So I just don't want to take too much time and make another 12-minute video. So if you really want more details on this, watch 6A. But this is how the code is going to look. And you'll notice that that while loop there, these 4 lines here, and this, you know, little curly brace, that's all that's been added. So let's go ahead and run this and check it out. Okay. And let's check that validation too. I don't think I did that in 6A. So there you go. And then phone number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 190. And now we're asking for another person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 8. Only 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of text messages, 200. Yep, that's right. And then 0 to exit. So this one coming from 6A is pretty easy. Not too much to it, but if you're a little bit confused, go back and watch 6A and it's more detailed. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.